Hello, hello. So today we are making a basic snake game. So let's start. First of all, we will make a mouse trail type of thing and then convert into a snake game. So first we will put out when green flag click forever. We will now put here create clone of myself and here go to the mouse pointer. So we will do in that way, and now what we will do, we will means pick another type of event. It is like a event but it is not fully a event because it is in the control section. So this the name of the event is when I start as a clone. So when I start as a clone, we have to make a transition. Because we are making a rainbow snake, we will make a transition for the snake. That will be repeat 10 times. Change color effect by 25 and now delete this clone. So it has changed color effect, and now if I click the green flag, there is a rainbow transition snake. Now I will make food for the snake. So pick another sprite, and now we will pick a star. Now what we will do, when green flag click forever, I don't know that if I click on here also it will activate. I don't know that, but let's do. So if touching means this is star. So if touching sprite 1, then it will go to a random position. But before that, we will make a score variable. Score, named score. Right click on the score and click on the large readout option. Now go to random position and now change my score by 1. I have told this if then how it works in many videos. So you can check that videos out. So here you can see I have made the programming, and now you see what happens. Here you can see a type of snake like game, but in this snake game there was an apple. So in the snake game there was an apple. So first of all I will delete this variable, and here will be put score, and now if there is, here you can see here is an apple, and now what we will do, we will put the code to the apple, the code to the apple. And now we will delete this star. And now let's see. Here you can see I have made a rainbow snake orb game. So that's all for today. Bye. If you like the video, leave a like. So that's all for today. Bye.